on this Jackie Rob dunk, guys. Jesus, man. Yes, sir. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today, we're going to take a closer look at the Jackie Raw Nike Dunks. Jones on the soundtrack. Yes, sir. If you haven't, check out my hottest style for these dunks. I did a hottest style. We put together some crazy streetwear pieces. Jones on the soundtrack. Some expensive to rock with this crazy classic iconic Nike dunk. I felt like I didn't do this sneaker justice. A sneaker with this much legendary behind it. I should have did a full review, but the sneaker was so dope. I just wanted to put pieces together to show you guys how to rock this crazy drip. Yeah, the hottest style was fire. Make sure y'all check that out. But I watched a lot of reviews on YouTube, and a lot of people said I can't really tell you what the words mean. And I'm like, the sneaker's right in front of you. Why can't you tell us what the words mean? But I fell victim to that too because I didn't do a review. So I'm gonna go under the microscope, find out every word in this sneaker, and give y'all a review like only I can, man. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Boom. So you get your regular red Nike box. Red, right? Orange, red. Yeah. This usually means there's no hype behind the sneaker. But this time, they're wrong. Crazy hype behind this sneaker. Prices did drop, but the hype is there, man. It's a Jackie Raw, man. He broke the color barrier. Anyway, it reads Nike Dunk Low, Racer Blue, Racer Blue. Y'all remember the Racer Blue 5s? Yeah, same color. So when you flip open the lid, get your OG tissue paper. I still don't know why this is not an SB, guys, but you get your regular OG tissue paper, and let's start with the right shoe. Let's look at the sparkle on this Jackie Rob dunk, guys. Jesus, man. Yes, sir. So as I told you, a lot of reviews, but no one's kind of telling you what these words saying in the sneaker. So in the sneaker is a quote straight from 1947, straight from Jackie Rob. And the quote reads, "I'm not concerned with you liking or disliking me. All I ask is that you respect me as a human being." So right here you can kind of see that. You see the human, concerned with me. You can see all the words now that you know the quote. Let's try to go to the front of the shoe. You can see that quote beautifully now. And that's all the way up the shoelace locks, all the way through the sneaker.
Play ball!
Of course, you got the silver 42 there, Jackie Robinson's number, but you see that quote all around the shoe. That's why I'm saying I cannot believe this is not a SB, guys. with that kind of detailing all through the shoe is crazy. So now that we finally got the quote, right, I want to talk about these shoelaces. Yeah, they come with these blue flat shoelaces, but I don't really see nobody rocking these. These shoelaces right here is premium. Like, you know that the baseball is red and white. Instead of making it red and white, they kept it Brooklyn Dodgers, Jackie Robinson, and gave us the blue and white laces instead of just making them red and white. Now, I'll be the first to tell you, even if they were red, the sneaker would still pop because red would get us another color. And if you look at every Dodger jersey, it does have a touch of red. So if they would have made it red, I wouldn't have been mad. But the fact that they just made it like Nipsey blue is super dope to me, man. So I just had to point out them shoelaces. I love the toe box because it's like a off-white, sail white, more of a coconut milk white. It looks like a loaf of bread, man. Soft to touch, little bit of tumbleness, but that mini swoosh just brings everything out in the sneaker. Speaking of swooshes, this kind of wool swoosh, super dope. They could have just made it leather, but the wool on top of that tumbleness off-white is super dope, guys. Also, the blue stitching at the bottom is underrated. Just looks like a nice blue ribbon on top, man. It's very underrated. Another highlight of mine is this platinum Nike SB. See, I really think it's an SB. This platinum Nike Dunk font logo right here. That platinum is dope. Of course, it's accompanied by the 42 platinum there. And other branding is the 75, because it's been 75 years since Jackie Robinson broke the color barrier. That quote that I showed you that's all around the sneaker is even inside. You see it. Inside has the quote also in the same blue as the sneaker. Yes, sir. So like I told y'all, we're just going to leave the hottest style with this. But, man, the sneaker had to have a full review, man. It's just too dope. It got to be Dunk of the Year. Not SB, but it has to be Dunk of the Year, man. And maybe even top 10 in sneakers of the year. We'll see. Prices are really plummeting. They're at 800, 600, 400. They're roughly close to the $300 range now. So I would say maybe wait another week if you're looking to buy this sneaker. I know it's hard to say wait, man, because I'm very impatient when I want a sneaker. But I say wait a week and you'll probably save yourself like $50 because we're already getting sneaker passes. We're getting all kind of reserves. This week, Jordan reserves are coming. So just wait a couple more days, guys, and you'll save yourself about $50 on this sneaker. This is an iconic shoe. His history shoe, man. In the comment section below, let me know what's better of the baseball shoe. I know this is not like considered a Jackie Robb shoe because it's a dunk, but like this, the Griffies, the Bo Jacksons, which ones y'all like the best? I was a heavy Bo Jackson fan, especially the baby blue joint. Griffey's always been too, like, I don't know, too much for me. I did own them, especially the double strap one, but I think I'll go Bo Jackson. In that comment section below, let me know what y'all think is the best out of the three. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.